meteorologist Ross Whitley with your first alert forecast.
Definitely a warm day if you headed to the coast today. I told you to check the flags, and good news on that end. We did see the flags change from yellow to red in the afternoon chop. Part of the reason for that, you can see it has kicked on up as you look ahead toward this weekend. You're going to the coast, a 40% chance of rain for your Saturday and a 50% chance of rain on Sunday. Both days the sea breeze should protect the coast outside of the early morning hours. So if you're heading to the coast, and just wait for those showers and storms to pass through the early morning hours, and then you should see conditions like what we have out there now. Air quality back on the good side, but it is elevated just a touch in our pollen count back into the moderate category at 4.4. Oak and ragweed, one of the main pollinators now, including grasses, that has been one of the main pollinators for a while. So if you're a ragweed sufferer like myself, the allergies probably have been notched up over the last couple of days or so. Burn time back to 15 minutes with our UV index back to 11.6 tomorrow. So a ton of sunshine expected once again. If you are going to be out and about for an extended period of time, put the sunscreen on, especially between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. There's a good look at the afternoon pop-ups, the hit and miss, splash and dash, whatever you want to call it. Most of it driven inland by the sea breeze at this point in time. Coastal areas protected outside of that isolated activity we had in the morning hours. And guess what? We'll do it all again for the day tomorrow. Cloud cover building overnight tonight. It'll be partly cloudy, and there you see the land breeze transitioning to sea breeze with those pop-up activities right along the coast in the morning hours tomorrow. And then it moves inland as we go into the afternoon. Sunday, more of the same. A boundary is going to be coming in late in the day, so that will at least bring another chance at showers and storms for our inland areas. Coastal areas still should be protected by the sea breeze. Even as we do go later into the evening, we may hold on to a rain chance into the overnight hours for your Sunday going into Monday. The reason for that, this frontal boundary that's going to come in and set up shop over the northern Gulf here, that's just going to deposit moisture and leave leftover boundaries. So as outflow boundaries progress around and clash into each other, you'll see showers and thunderstorms popping up each and every day with the heating of the day. And if you're going, well, the good news is it may not be quite as hot, I will remind you we don't get any of that relief on the backside of the front. And temperatures, anytime we don't have the rain around, it'll be very warm and very humid. Sounds like summer in Florida, doesn't it? Certainly does. The other thing we have to watch summer in Florida is the tropics, and thankfully nothing going on in the Atlantic, but the eastern Pacific is quite busy, and typically this time of year is the time of year that the eastern Atlantic stays busy. So we're looking for the next named storm, which would be Barbara. We got two chances at it down there in the rest of the Atlantic. Absolutely nothing going on, but a lot of Saharan dust. If you're looking on the horizon, you're seeing that gray. That's the reason for it. You can see it is all across the southeast, and it's even more so across the Atlantic basin, which is great news because that means there's nothing going on out there. For us, it is our typical summertime pattern that will continue even as we go into next week.
It was humid out there earlier.
Oh yeah, it is definitely the time you step outside with glasses on and they instantly fog.
Drink a lot of water.
Oh yeah.
Thanks, Ross.